Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So our short-term target is completed. I mean, the 3-drive pattern that we discussed on the weekend, on Monday. And currently we have only the 1550 target that still stands ahead and stands relatively close to the market, just $1,000 Bitcoin. It's relatively close, but currently guys, on the Bitcoin market, overall situation stands very tricky. Not only on the Bitcoin, but in all other markets, because markets gradually are preparing to victory of the Biden, which we think not the case yet, and in general we think that overall situation is turning to the worst scenario where we will see a lot of mutual accusing, some frauds, probes, social unrests, because the difference between the votes very small. And in the recent states where the have not been counted results yet, the difference between Biden and Trump stands very close. And this opened actually way to mutual accusing of each other, that votes were still stolen. So that's really bad scenario. And approximately we talked about it in every weekly report on the Forex market, on the gold market, when this whole story about the election have started. So what we have currently, take a look on the monthly chart. That's the target that we have and has not been completed yet. If situation will be relatively quiet and markets will start to waiting for results, expecting the Biden's victory, theoretically Bitcoin could climb and hit COP. But what personally I do not like here. First of all, take a look at the 10-year treasury bonds. You can see massive sell-off and reversal right at the completion of our regardless cheaper to sell pattern, and yield with this just the 2 sessions have been dropped for approximately 30%. So it was 93, now it's 72 or 25, around 30%. It means that markets wait for bad things. They are going into the dollar again. They're buying United States Treasury again. That's warning sign. This is not good. Second moment, if you take a look at the weekly chart of the Bitcoin, you could see the market has completed large ABCD that started at the end of the 2018. So, and lasts for a long time, more than almost 2 years of this action. Market finally hits 1450 area. That's important target. Overall upper direction here stands slower. You can see this upper direction a bit slower than the A-B leg, which means that some reaction, technical response on this target should happen. And it's accompanied with the capitulation of the miners. So you can see that hash rate starts to be dropping, and it's right at the point where the market has completed this target. Well, all this stuff makes really tricky background, which significantly increases the chance of the possible pullback and possible reversal on the market and starting of the retracement. That's why currently taking the new long positions is very risky stuff, and we suggest that's not a good point for taking the new bets on upper continuation. If you have longs, you theoretically could tight your stops with the hope and anticipation maybe market will able to move a bit more and pass additional distance to 1550 target. But currently we really have the big doubts that this will happen. On the hourly chart, on the daily chart, butterfly has been formed, but here we do not see some clear patterns. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our regardless triple to sell has been completed perfectly. Market has hit the target, and now you can see some signs of the pressure, some resistance appears around the market, shows some minor pullback. On the hourly chart, the last part of this 3-drive as usual takes the shape of the butterfly. 1618 theoretically could be reached, but I'm also not sure that will be another spike up to complete this target. Also, market has completed this minor ABCD pattern inside the butterfly, So a lot of resistance stands around, and overall fundamental background stands not in favor of the immediate upward continuation. This is the reason why we think that if you have longs and you keep longs with our 3 drive pattern, tight your stop, put the trailing stop maybe, and maybe we will get lucky and market somehow will able to hit the 1550 target on the monthly chart, which we are not sure. But definitely it's not a good moment for taking the new longs, because situation's turning not in favor of the upward continuation. And really, with a few sessions, we could get significant pullback on the Bitcoin market. So that's our view on the current situation.